Today we're in the beautiful new subdivision of Sanctuary Beach, just moments from here. Let's go check this beauty out.
Loving this kitchen, the center island, the natural light, the way it naturally flows into the living room.
The main ensuite is on the same level as the living space. The rest are upstairs. Again, with this beautiful beach lifestyle coming in off of your balcony right into your main ensuite, and the flow of this space is perfect. And the third story offers this awesome flex space being used as a bedroom here, 3 more bedrooms and overlooking a golf course. How Florida is that? For more information, look in the description below. I've got that listing link there for you. But don't forget, subscribe to our channel. You can see these beautiful luxury homes and some that might fit your needs. Bye now.